So this tutorial will show you how to multiply with decimal numbers. I'm going to do two tutorials. The first one will be multiplying digits, integer digits, with a decimal number. And then the second video will show you how to multiply decimals together. Okay, so let's make a start. We're going to look at multiplying decimals. So here's a nice simple one to start with, 3 multiplied by 4.5. Now, even though the multiplication is written this way round, we're going to put the whole number, the integer, on the bottom of our columns, like this, okay? And for once, we're not going to line up the 3 unit with the 4 unit. We're going to leave it on the right-hand side. That's okay. We can manage with that for multiplying decimals. 3 times 5 then, to start with. So 3 multiplied by 5 will be 15. We put the 5 here, and we're going to carry the 1. Now's the important bit. We've got this decimal point here. And to make sure we get everything in line, we're going to put a decimal point exactly down below it. Now we're going to do 3 times 4, which is 12. But remember, we've got this 1 carried over, so we're going to add that 1 to the 12 to make 13. And there's our answer, 13.5. And if you think about it, 3 times 4 is 12. So 3 times 4.5 is going to be a little bit more than 12. So 13.5 seems like a good answer. We must be around the right area. Let's look at what happens if we've got a tens digit there, how we deal with this one. So we're going to do 7 multiplied by 12.3. Again, we're going to arrange it with our integer value on the bottom. And we're going to do 7 times 3 to start with. That's 21. So there's the 1, and we're going to carry the 2. Again, we've got that decimal point there. We want to bring that straight down again and into this position to keep everything in line. Now we do 7 times 2, which is 14, but we've got that 2 carried over. So we add that 2 on, 14, 15, 16. There's the 6, carry the 1. 7 times 1 to finish off with is 7. Add that carried over 1 to make 8, 86.1. And again, 7 times 10 would be 70. 7 times 12 is going to be a little bit more than that. It's going to be 84. So 7 times 12.3 is going to be just a little bit more, 86.1. So we know we're in the right area. It's unlikely we've made a mistake because we can estimate our calculation. So that's the end of multiplying integers with decimals, multiplying whole numbers with decimals. The next video will show you how to multiply decimals together.